So y'all, this is gonna be a little different type of video. This is gonna be a raw ass video because as you see, I just came out the shower. So you know, that's why my face looks like this. Just like wash my face, you know, wash my hair, whatever. It's gonna be a legit, you know. I'm gonna just talk to y'all real quick. I'm gonna let y'all ladies know how to keep your vagina fresh. Yes, your vajayjay, you know, little girlfriend down there. I'm gonna give y'all a couple little tips on how to keep it fresh. So, first things first. I don't use a lot of scented body washes, soaps, anything. I don't use a lot of scented stuff. Shampoo, you know, that's whatever. But when it comes to like my body type stuff, first of all, I do have sensitive skin. Second of all, I just don't like it. Third of all, I feel like whenever it is normal, perfectly normal for us girls to have a little bit of stench. It's our bacteria fighting whatever we have, whatever. It is perfectly normal. So, first of all, I am not a doctor. So if you have like a really, really bad stench, you need to consult with your doctor, talk to your doctor, and go see what the hell is wrong with you. Because it is not normal to have an overly bad stench. A little bit? Okay. Anyway. I lost my train of thought. Oh, so I don't use anything that's like really, really scented. First thing I can tell you I do use is the Summer's Eve Simply Sensitive. And this doesn't even have like a scent. No, it doesn't have a scent like at all. I use this probably 4 times a week. I don't use it like every single day. I do use my body wash that is also for sensitive skin. It has a little bit of scent to it, but not much. So I use that every day, obviously. And another thing that you can use to wash yourself down there, which I'm pretty sure a lot of females have heard about, is apple cider vinegar. So I have apple cider vinegar. I just bought this from like the Dollar Tree, the dollar store. You can buy whatever you want to buy. This is just in a spray bottle, but you can buy it. You don't have to have it in a spray bottle. I just spray it like on the like a cloth or wherever, and this is diluted with water, so it's not only apple cider vinegar, it's with water. So I filled it up about halfway with apple cider vinegar and then the other half with water, and I do that probably 2 to 3 times a week as well. Like I do like real good cleanses with my vagina. I don't be getting like all up in there because you're not supposed to. Remember that. That's what I was told. Another thing is always drink plenty of water. I am not like perfect. I do have soda here and there. As you see, I'm a big girl. I love me my iced coffee. I love Starbucks. I love all that shit. But obviously it's not good for you. And I don't know if this ever happens to any of you guys, but if I drink like a lot of coffee or it has a lot of sugar and shit, and then whenever I do like use the bathroom or pee, it'll smell like straight up coffee. It shit ain't good. So yeah, always drink a lot of water. So I always have, like, I use this almost every day. I don't know if you can see like how big that is. I drink at least 4 or 5 of those a day, and then I always have it at night as well, like right next to me as soon as I like go to bed. Another thing I can say is, let's say if you're working out or going to the pool, or I don't know, like let's just say you get a lot of sweat down there. It is not good to leave that sweat and that moisture down there. So always try to bathe yourself, or you know, wash yourself up right after. Like let's say if you go to the pool, you go to the beach, you have on your bathing suit, as soon as you can, take that bitch off and go clean yourself, or you know, go wash up. Same thing if you're at the gym. You go to the gym, you sweat down there. You don't want to keep that moisture down there. That's how you catch that scent and catch a lot of bacteria, infections, things like that. You don't want to do that. So always, as soon as you can, take off that clothes and go wash yourself up. Type of underwears you can use. Cloth would be like your best friend. So I'm going to show you guys like some examples. I have like these regular Calvin Klein thongs, and they're cotton. Did I say cloth? Cotton. So this is like gonna actually absorb the moisture, and it's not like They have what is it, those silk ones. I love those, and they're comfortable as hell, but they don't absorb that moisture, and it'll just like legit stay wet down there the whole time. But these, like, let's say, you know, you're at work, you had a busy day, whatever, you can't like take them off, you have to keep them off for a long period of time. These are great. It's not like you're gonna like be stinking all day, you know what I mean? So these are regular just cotton thongs. They're comfortable as hell, and yeah, I wear those. Another ones that I wanted to show you guys are these like boy shorts, and these also have like the cotton on the inside, and then they're boy shorts, so they are like that. They're like mesh or whatever you want to call this. So you get like hella air going through, but at least you got the cotton area, or you have the cotton part like on your vagina area. So, but you have air going through, so your bitch will be fresh at all fucking times. What else? I think there was something else. I should have wrote this down. Yes, baby. Okay. Sorry about that. My daughter like started talking to me. She's in here with me, my little baby, so she started talking to me. But anyway, I think that was it. This is just a quick video with how to show you guys, give you guys a couple little tips on how to keep your little friend out there fresh. So yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, let me know what you guys think, let me know if you use these tips as well, how they work. These are just things that work for me. Like I said, I am not a doctor, I do not know, I just do things that work for me. So yeah, my vajayjay is always fresh. Is yours, girl?